Anduril Roadrunner is an advanced autonomous defense vehicle built to operate in some of the toughest and most dangerous environments. Combining powerful AI, smart sensors, and autonomous technology, it provides real-time battlefield awareness and responds quickly to changing situations. Its rugged design and high mobility allow it to travel across rough terrain, obstacles, and hazardous areas with ease. The Roadrunner is designed to support military personnel by carrying out dangerous tasks while reducing risks to human troops. Equipped with modern offensive technologies, it can assist in surveillance, security, and mission support across a wide range of operations. By blending intelligence, durability, and advanced automation, the Roadrunner represents the next generation of ground defense technology, helping armed forces complete missions more safely, efficiently, and effectively in modern combat environments. The Aselsan Air Missile Defense System is a modern air defense platform built to protect troops and critical locations from today's most common aerial threats, including drones, helicopters, cruise missiles, and precision-guided weapons. Mounted on a highly mobile 8x8 truck, it combines a rapid-firing 35mm autocannon with programmable airburst ammunition, surface-to-air missiles, and advanced detection systems in one powerful unit. Its built-in 360-degree radar and electro-optical sensors can detect, track, and engage multiple targets at the same time with impressive accuracy. The system can operate independently or work as part of a larger integrated air defense network. Designed for fast response and reliable protection, it provides military forces with a flexible and effective shield against a wide range of airborne threats on the modern battlefield. The Bullfrog Weapon Station is a modern defense system designed to protect military forces from threats on both land and sea. It can upgrade existing weapons, such as the M240 and M2 machine guns, by transforming them into highly accurate autonomous or semi-autonomous defense platforms. Using advanced computer vision and passive sensing technology, Bullfrog can detect, identify, track, and engage targets without relying on radar. This allows it to remain difficult for enemies to detect while maintaining effective protection. The system is ideal for safeguarding military vehicles, convoys, naval vessels, and fixed installations. Compact, lightweight, and energy-efficient, Bullfrog offers an affordable way to modernize older weapon systems. Its ability to counter emerging drone threats makes it a valuable asset for today's rapidly evolving battlefield environments. The Hisar-O is a modern medium-range air defense missile system developed to protect military bases, troops, ports, and other critical national assets from airborne threats. It is capable of intercepting fighter aircraft, helicopters, cruise missiles, and unmanned aerial vehicles with high accuracy. Powered by a dual-pulse solid rocket motor, the missile has an operational range of up to 25 kilometers and is launched vertically for faster response. Its modular design allows it to operate independently using a 3D medium-range search radar or as part of a larger integrated air defense network with a fire control system. Mounted on a rugged 6x6 military truck, the Hisar-O offers excellent mobility and rapid deployment. With its improved range, advanced guidance, and flexible operation, it provides reliable protection against modern aerial threats. The Embraer P600 AEW is a next-generation airborne early warning and control aircraft built on the reliable Embraer Praetor 600 business jet. It combines advanced AESA radar, military and civilian identification systems, electronic support equipment, secure communications, and powerful mission management tools to give operators a clear, real-time view of the battlefield. The aircraft is designed to detect and track airborne and surface threats, especially in areas where ground-based radar has limited coverage. It plays a vital role in air defense, early warning, command and control, maritime patrol, and border security missions. Despite its compact size, the P600 AEW delivers impressive surveillance and coordination capabilities. Its flexible design and lower operating costs make it an efficient and practical solution for modern military forces seeking advanced airborne intelligence and battlefield awareness. The INCAS Hudson Recon APC is a heavily armored vehicle built to provide outstanding protection and mobility during military and security missions. Its advanced armor shields personnel from ballistic threats, helping keep soldiers and crews safe in dangerous environments. Designed for both paved roads and rough off-road terrain, the Hudson Recon offers excellent handling and reliable performance across challenging landscapes. The spacious cabin comfortably accommodates a driver, co-driver, and several passengers, making it ideal for safely transporting troops. It also features practical tactical equipment, including roof hatches, communication systems, and customizable mission-specific options to meet the needs of military forces, law enforcement agencies, and security teams. Combining strong protection, impressive mobility, and flexible configurations, the INCAS Hudson Recon APC is a dependable vehicle built for modern tactical operations in demanding conditions. The Khrizantema-S is a powerful self-propelled anti-tank missile system built to destroy modern armored vehicles at long range. It launches 9 M123 tandem warhead missiles that use either millimeter wave radar or laser beam riding guidance, allowing accurate attacks even in rain, smoke, dust, or poor visibility. Equipped with 2 ready-to-fire missiles and an automatic loading system, it can engage multiple moving targets in quick succession. The system supports both direct attack and top attack modes, making it effective against tanks protected by reactive or active defense systems. With an operational range of more than 6 kilometers, the Khrizantema-S allows military units to strike enemy armor from a safe distance. Its speed, accuracy, and firepower make it a formidable weapon for countering heavily armored forces on the modern battlefield. The Lamprey MM AUV is a next-generation autonomous underwater vehicle built for both naval operations and scientific research. Its modular open architecture design allows it to carry a variety of payloads, including sonar systems, high-resolution cameras, and environmental sensors. This flexibility enables it to perform long-duration missions without needing to surface. Powered by advanced navigation technology and AI-assisted autonomy, the vehicle can carry out complex tasks such as seabed mapping, mine detection, underwater infrastructure inspection, and covert surveillance, even in areas where GPS signals are unavailable. Multiple Lamprey MM AUVs can also work together by sharing data in real time, creating a coordinated underwater network. This teamwork improves mission efficiency and provides continuous high-quality intelligence, making the system a valuable asset for modern underwater operations and exploration. The Hero 120 Loitering Munition is a smart precision strike weapon designed to eliminate armored vehicles and other high-value targets. Weighing around 14.5 kilograms and carrying a powerful 4.5 kilogram multi-purpose warhead, it can travel up to 60 kilometers and remain in the air for nearly an hour. During flight, it circles the battlefield while sending live video through its electro-optical and infrared sensors, allowing operators to locate and monitor targets before attacking. The system is launched from a compact pneumatic tube, making it easy for ground troops to carry and deploy, and it can also be launched from helicopters. Operators can change targets or cancel the mission at any time, giving the Hero 120 outstanding flexibility, precision, and effectiveness in today's fast-moving combat environments. The Patria NEMO is a modern remotely operated 120mm mortar system designed to provide fast, accurate, and mobile fire support on the battlefield. One of its biggest advantages is its ability to fire while moving, allowing military units to stay mobile and reduce the risk of enemy counterattacks. The system delivers a high rate of fire and can perform multiple rounds simultaneous impact (MRSI) missions where several mortar rounds hit the target at the same time. Its armored turret and protected vehicle shield the crew from bullets, mines, improvised explosive devices, and battlefield hazards. The lightweight, compact turret can be installed on tracked vehicles, wheeled armored vehicles, or naval vessels. With its flexibility, protection, and precision, the Patria NEMO is a powerful and reliable fire support system for modern military operations. The Phoenix Ghost drone is a loitering munition designed for both surveillance and precision strike missions. It can remain in the air for up to 6 hours, allowing operators to observe the battlefield, monitor enemy movements, and wait for the right moment to attack. Equipped with infrared sensors, it is highly effective during night operations and can accurately engage medium-armored ground targets. The drone was originally developed before the 2022 conflict in Ukraine, but proved to be well suited to the operational needs of Ukrainian forces. Following its successful deployment, additional units were supplied under military assistance programs to strengthen battlefield capabilities. By combining long endurance, advanced targeting systems, and precision attack capability, the Phoenix Ghost provides armed forces with a flexible and highly effective tool for modern combat operations. The Pulsar is an advanced electronic warfare system designed to detect, identify, and disrupt a wide range of enemy threats. It can locate and jam hostile drones, communication systems, and electronic jammers while also determining their exact direction and position. The Pulsar family includes portable tripod-mounted units, vehicle-mounted versions like the Pulsar 5, and lightweight airborne models such as the Pulsar L and Pulsar A. All versions are connected through a shared AI-powered platform that continuously learns from new battlefield data and quickly updates its countermeasures. This allows the system to adapt to emerging threats in hours instead of months. By giving military forces greater control of the electromagnetic spectrum, Pulsar strengthens electronic warfare, improves counter-drone capabilities, and provides a significant tactical advantage in modern combat operations. The Scorpion Mobile Mortar System is a lightweight and highly mobile weapon platform designed to deliver fast and accurate fire support. It can fire up to 8 mortar rounds in just 2 minutes, and can be mounted on almost any 1.5-ton military truck, making it easy to deploy in different combat environments. Its innovative non-seating baseplate reduces recoil and prevents the system from digging into the ground, allowing crews to relocate quickly after firing and avoid enemy counterattacks. The Scorpion is compatible with both 81mm and 120mm mortar rounds, offering excellent operational flexibility. Its advanced fire control system can be operated from inside the vehicle or remotely using a tablet. Compact enough for helicopter transport, the Scorpion provides military forces with a rapid, versatile, and effective indirect fire support solution for modern battlefields. The Shahed Interceptor is an innovative and cost-effective solution developed to stop Shahed 136 and Shahed 131 attack drones before they reach their targets. Instead of relying only on expensive air defense missiles, this system uses small, high-speed interceptor drones equipped with explosive charges or impact devices. Once launched, the interceptor rapidly closes in on the incoming drone and destroys it either by detonating nearby or by colliding with it in mid-air. This approach provides a fast and affordable way to defend against large drone attacks. It also helps preserve costly air defense missiles for more dangerous threats, such as advanced aircraft or cruise missiles. By adding another layer of protection, the Shahed Interceptor strengthens modern air defense and gives military forces greater flexibility when facing mass drone assaults. SkySpotter is an advanced surveillance system that keeps watch without revealing its location. Unlike traditional radar, it does not transmit signals. Instead, it uses powerful MWIR, SYR, and daylight cameras to detect drones, aircraft, and cruise missiles from long distances. Its AI-powered tracking system can identify and follow multiple airborne threats at the same time, giving operators a complete 360-degree view of the airspace in real time. Because it remains completely passive, enemy radar and electronic warfare systems have a much harder time detecting it. This makes SkySpotter an excellent choice for air defense units, border security, and counter-drone operations. By providing early warning and accurate threat detection, it helps military forces react faster, improve battlefield awareness, and stop potential attacks before they become a serious danger. The Spike ATGM family is a versatile range of precision-guided anti-tank missiles built to destroy heavily armored targets in different combat situations. Available in short, medium, and long-range versions, these missiles can be launched by infantry, armored vehicles, helicopters, and naval platforms. Using advanced electro-optical and infrared guidance, Spike missiles can accurately strike enemy tanks, bunkers, fortified positions, and even low-flying helicopters. They offer both top attack and direct attack modes, allowing them to defeat modern armor and many active protection systems. AI-assisted targeting and networked battlefield technology enable military units to share target information instantly, improving coordination and accuracy. With just a few well-aimed shots, the Spike missile system gives forces a major battlefield advantage, making it one of the most effective anti-armor weapons in modern warfare. The Skynex is a modern modular air defense system designed to protect military bases, cities, and other high-value locations from today's most advanced aerial threats. It is highly effective against drones, helicopters, cruise missiles, and other low-flying targets. Equipped with advanced radar, electro-optical sensors, and accurate 35mm airburst ammunition, Skynex can detect, track, and engage multiple threats quickly and with excellent precision. Its smart targeting system helps minimize collateral damage while maintaining a rapid response. Built with a strong focus on reliability and fast deployment, the system can be set up quickly and integrated into larger air defense networks for even greater protection. Combining speed, accuracy, and advanced technology, Skynex provides military forces with a dependable defensive shield against a wide range of airborne threats in modern warfare. The VBAT is built for missions where GPS signals and communications are blocked or heavily jammed. Its unique tail-sitter design allows it to take off and land vertically, so it can operate from small bases, ships, or remote locations without needing a runway. With long flight endurance and advanced AI, it can fly, map the area, and detect targets using its own onboard systems instead of depending on vulnerable external connections. The VBAT can also carry precision-guided weapons, stay over the battlefield for extended periods, and strike targets when needed. This gives ground troops and naval forces reliable surveillance and attack support in all weather conditions. Even when enemy electronic warfare disrupts traditional drones, the VBAT continues to perform critical intelligence, reconnaissance, and combat missions with impressive accuracy and reliability. The YFQ-44A Fury is an advanced unmanned fighter drone developed for the U.S. Air Force's next-generation collaborative combat aircraft program. Built with AI-assisted flight technology, it is designed to fly alongside piloted fighter jets and support them during complex missions. Measuring about 20 feet long with a 17-foot wingspan, the Fury can reach speeds close to Mach 1, fly at altitudes of around 50,000 feet, and perform sharp maneuvers of up to 9G. Powered by a Williams FJ44-4M turbofan engine, it can carry AIM-120 air-to-air missiles on external hardpoints, acting as a loyal wingman for aircraft like the F-35, F-22, and F-15EX. The Fury expands combat range, improves battlefield awareness, and increases firepower without putting a human pilot at risk.